I think what attracted me to the Civil Engineering Apprenticeship is the broad array of jobs that you can be working on. Civil Engineering spoke to me in the way that you can be transport, water, structures, and it's just so broad. I'm now a lead technician on a role for a job in Dublin, and it's just, the sense of reward from it is just unbelievable.
There are so many opportunities for travelling with civil engineering. The skill of it is essentially a language that one can apply in many situations across the globe.
The most I enjoy about the apprenticeship is that I don't need to go back from work and do the study only. It's actually the best thing for mature students to do that, so you can go full-time job and be a full-time student.
If I was to say to a young girl or a woman thinking about going into the construction industry or even completing this civil engineering apprenticeship, I would definitely say go for it, because there's nothing holding you back. You know, women can be a small bit more creative and, you know, will want to, you know, make their mark, so they will always go out of their way to put in extra effort. They do work that small bit harder to prove themselves. I like the idea of engineering because it's so broad. I could work in an office if I wanted to later in life, or I could work out on site and I could build bridges or roads or buildings, and it's just every day would be something new.
What attracted me most to the Civil Engineering Apprenticeship was I've always had a keen interest in construction. What I enjoy most about the apprenticeship is being able to apply what I learn in the classroom on site and being out on site every day, working with different people and different trades. The best thing about the Civil Engineering Apprenticeship for me would have to be learning on the job.
What I enjoy most about this apprenticeship is I love the fact that I'm able to get on-site education. I just think it's a vital part of learning. My favourite thing about what I do in work every day is lightening the load on the civil engineers that have extreme pressure on them.
I'm enjoying the most about Civil Engineering Apprenticeship, learning new things. This course allows me to know everything to the detail. Before I was able only, pour the piece and make the actual precast, but not knowing how it's actually made, so that kind of gives me more understanding of what's involved in making and planning.